Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. A tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So, based on this information, I have drawn the figure here. Here AB is the tower. From the foot of the tower, 15 meters away. A person is here. He is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. He is looking to the top of the tower at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. So question is, find the height of the tower. In this figure, AB is the height of the tower. So we need to find out what is AB. So let us take the ratios. In the figure, AB is the tower. In triangle ABC, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here theta equal to 60 degree. AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side. So tan 60 degree equal to AB by BC. Tan 60 degree is root 3. BC is 15. So we get root 3 equal to AB by 15. Cross multiplying, we get AB equal to 15 root 3. So we can conclude the height of the tower is 15 root 3 meter. An electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. She needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. What would be the length of the ladder that she should use, which when inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal would enable her to reach the required position? Also, how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? You may take root 3 equal to 1.73. So, based on this information that is given the figure, this AD is our electric post of height 5 meter. The electrician has to reach 1.3 meter below the top of the electric post. So total length is 5 meter. She needs to reach here. And she needs to use the ladder at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. The question is, how far the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? Means, what is the distance of this CD? Here, one more idea is given. You can use the value of root 3 equal to 1.73. So, let us take the ratio and solve the problem. In the figure, AD is the post with the height 5 meter. The electrician has to reach 1.3 meter below the top of the post. So, we need only this BD. This AD is 5 meter, AB is 1.3 meter. So, we can find out BD. BD equal to AD minus AB. That is equal to 5 minus 1.3 equal to 3.7 meter. So, this length of BD, it is 3.7 meter. So, our right triangle is triangle BDC with acute angle 60 degree. Here this BD is the opposite side with the length 3.7 meter. Our first question is find the length of the ladder. Here the ladder is BC. So we need to find out the value of BC. In this figure, this BC is the hypotenuse. So opposite side is given. Hypotenuse we need to find out. So let us take the ratio. In triangle BDC, sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here theta equal to 60 degree. So sin 60 degree equal to BD by BC. Value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So we can write root 3 by 2 equal to 3.7 divided by BC. Cross multiplying, we get BC into root 3 equal to 3.7 into 2. BC equal to 3.7 into 2 divided by root 3. The question it is given. The value of root 3 equal to 1.73. So if we give root 3 equal to 1.73 and doing the calculation, we get BC equal to 4.28 approximately. So BC is the length of the ladder. So we can conclude length of the ladder is 4.28 meter. Next we need to find out how far the ladder is away from the foot of the tower, that is DC. So opposite side is given. We need to find out the adjacent side. Let us take the ratio. In triangle BDC, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here theta equal to 60 degree. BD is the opposite side, DC is the adjacent side. Tan 60 degree equal to BD by DC. Tan 60 degree is root 3. So we get root 3 equal to 3.7 by DC. Cross multiplying, we get DC into root 3 equal to 3.7. DC equal to 3.7 divided by root 3. Value of root 3 is 1.73. So we get that is equal to 3.7 divided by 1.73. By calculating this we get equal to 2.14 approximately. So we can conclude the ladder is 2.14 meter away from the foot of the pole. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.